in cages. This is about babies scattered all across this country. This is about mamas who want their children back. President Trump seems to think that the only way to have immigration rules is to rip parents from their families, is to treat rape victims and refugees like terrorists, and to put children in cages. This is ugly, this is wrong, and this is not the way to run our country. The president's deeply immoral actions have made it obvious we need to rebuild our immigration system from top to bottom, starting by replacing ICE with something that reflects our morality and values. This moment is a moral crisis for our country. Dr. Martin Luther King said, "There comes a time when silence is betrayal." We will not be silent.